Hi, my name is Lil Peso. Today, I'm going to talk about one of the most wanted things on this planet Earth, and that's about sneakers. Who doesn't love them? Especially sneakers that go with suits. One of the best combinations ever. A trend that was once faux pas, and now it is one of the best styles you can ever combine. It is obvious that not every sneaker would suit with suits, but there are actually a couple that would match perfectly with that style. If you want to find out more, stay with us and learn about the top 5 sneakers you can wear with suits. Number 5. Oliver Cabell Low One in white and black. These supreme low-top Italian white Low One sneakers are a perfect match for suits due to their basic outline and leather structure. They pair perfectly with literally anything you can imagine. You can combine them with a gray suit and a white t-shirt. Perfect combination. The brand Oliver Cabell this year overcame the internet when it launched the plain Low One model to compete head-on with lavish brands like Common Projects. This brand is on a mission to construe your encounter when buying lavish and cozy sneakers. It is excellent to know that this incredible brand offers you to know exactly what they used to create this shoe and how much every little detail cost. Furthermore, I can say that the lavish and modern design of white Low One makes them one of the must-have sneakers ever. They are created from premium Italian leather, and exactly that makes them unique and irresistible. They were the first-rate quality and go with every style due to their transparency. Presently, the best sneakers for men. When I say that these incredible shoes are superior, I mean that they are high-quality shoes in all aspects. That is in the leather, the design, and the construction. The price is approachable, and you can have one of the most lavish sneakers that go with every style for a fair price. The best part is that they come with the branded pouch in the box. The aim of that is so you can protect them and keep them when putting them away. Also, if you need to take them with you when traveling. In addition, like the white sneakers, the perfectly shaped black sneakers of the same type go perfectly with a suit too. Such a timeless design. Number 4. Converse Chuck Taylor All-Stars. Classy shoe that goes perfectly with a suit. We firmly believe that any color would go perfectly, but the red ones go gorgeously with a navy, charcoal, or tan suit. If you want to look classy, team them with an Oxford shirt and a tie. Besides that, you can wear these incredible sneakers with casual clothes by opting for a basic t-shirt and jeans. They're so easily combinable that they can go with literally anything. Never ever fade away. No matter if they are old or new, they always look the same and never lose their high-end quality. Timeless, easy to clean, and so comfortable sneakers. They never lost and will never lose their spotlight. Actually, they define the word sneaker. They're getting better and better with age. The same as the Vine and the Woman. Yes, guys, you can find them in any color you can imagine. And the most interesting fact is that you can find them in anywhere in the world. Every single country has these incredible sneakers. Also, you can use them for different kinds of occasions. An elegant party, birthdays, weddings, and you can also use them to work out. They are a perfect combination for everything you can imagine. Created from durable cotton canvas, plain woven fabric, backpacks, tents, and sneakers, they represent a perfect combination and are considered as one of the strongest sneakers ever. Also, you can express your art skills. They feel so light and the canvas is so breathable. It is interesting to know that the buyers sometimes draw and paint them to make them more personal. Such an incredible brands. Number 3. Kawaii Verse leather sneakers. Comfortable, lavish, aesthetic, phenomenal. In one word, Kawaii Verse leather sneaker. When you think about all those things, first in mind comes the Kawaii Italian-made Verse leather sneakers. They suit literally any style you can team them with, literally anything, and they'll look perfect on you. These pairs of sneakers are for those who are adventurous and want to stand out in the crowd. First of all, they are for everyone who is considering themselves a sneaker lover. But let's be honest, who doesn't love wearing their favorite pair of kicks? When I talk about comfortable and stylish footwear, I'm talking about these Kawaii sneakers. You can wear them on a little black dress, your favorite pair of jeans, or something basic as a white t-shirt. They are literally an essential you can always count on. because as I said, they are sneakers that can go with any style possible. They feel very easy. Kawaii was one of those lavish brands leading the change of the luxurious sneaker brands. Furthermore, you can wear these magnificent sneakers on any occasion, on elegant parties, birthdays, and weddings, and you can even use them to work out. They are a perfect combination for everything you can imagine. There is something about an old school luxury label that makes every outfit lit. Even though they are truly costly, and you would probably prefer keeping them as a souvenir at home than wearing them, this pair of sneakers are totally worth it. They are so strongly created that you can wear them for years, and they're still going to look as if you took them right off the store shelf. Number 2. Common Project's Achilles leather sneakers. It seems as if the Common Project sneakers never miss their mark. Another level leather sneakers, perfectly fitting a navy, brown, or light gravy suit. Try these combinations and thank us later. If you're one of those people who are really picky when it comes to choosing sneakers, you want them to look sleek enough to be created in such a way that they can be styled in different ways without looking weird while combined in the typical outfit, and to fit the bill perfectly, then this incredible pair of sneakers are just for you. You are going to immediately become drawn to this style after you try them and see how cozy and phenomenal they are. The best part of having these magnificent sneakers is that they are not too sporty, not too casual too. You can wear them whenever you want on any occasion, from birthday parties to weddings, and even you can work out in them. They're stylish and not overly marked with the logo of the brand, which makes them even more elegant. You can wear them for years and they will remain and keep the shape exactly as the first time you tried them. Also, perfect for those who travel a lot, and that is due to their comfort and the fact that they go with anything you choose to wear, so you won't have any problem with that at all. Common Project's Achilles leather sneakers are practical, but yet at the same time they are a luxury. You can literally become addicted to this incredible pair of sneakers. Yes, they are really expensive, but totally worth the price. Even though you might think that you should spend money on more affordable sneakers, yes, you will get cheaper ones, but they will not be the same as these incredible shoes, and that's for sure. Number 1. Adidas Original Superstand shoes. Adidas Stan Smith, a perfect choice for you. If you want something casual, but at the same time so classy, the design of white and green colorway suits perfectly with various stylish options, from charcoal, gray, to white, also burgundy, light blue, tartan, and navy suits. You can match these incredible sneakers with whatever color you can imagine. Such an impressive type of sneakers. These sneakers are considered very comfortable on the feet, and also as a quality sneaker too. Furthermore, you can find Adidas Superstand in various beautiful colorways, so you have plenty of options to choose from. Excellent for everyday wear. You can find them at a reasonable price and still have quality sneakers. It fits the foot perfectly. The shape and structure of these sneakers are perfect. The low-cut ankle color permits sufficient ankle mobility that actually makes the shoe irresistible. If you were curious, these sneakers were released on February 1st, 2020. The low-top Adidas Superstand is a perfect mixture of the two legendary Adidas silhouettes ever. A mixture of tennis-inspired and basketball-inspired. Let's now see what they are made of. The shoe upper part is created out of a premium leather material, little holes on the sides to provide adequate foot breathability. The padded insole also gives soft comfort. When I talk about the style of this magnificent pair of sneakers, I can say that the low-top Superstand by Adidas Original is a combination of the two iconic silhouettes ever. The Adidas Stan Smith and the Adidas Superstand. The design is minimalist and unique. You can find them in any color you can imagine. It goes with literally anything, from casual clothing like denim jeans, shorts, jumpsuits, khaki pants, miniskirts, or culottes, to suits, and classy dresses. One of the best sneakers ever. Guys, that'd be it for this video. We hope you enjoyed it. Feel free to comment in the comment section down below about your favorite sneakers from our video. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more thrilling info like this, and hit that notification bell so you never miss any of it. And of course, thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.